What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of the 2026 North Point 365 RKTS. And I think that 365 is indicative of the fact that this has a full-time warranty. So this is going to be in one of my favorite dispositions. You have the L couch, you have the rear kitchen set up so you can cook up a meal with honey buns and then snuggle with her for a movie. I think you guys are going to really like it. All of the specifications, things like length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes will be down in the description, along with a link for Funtown RV where you can access some pricing and, see where you might want to go check this thing out if it's something that you dig, if it's your style. But again, it's the 2026 Jayco North Point 365 RKTS. And again, just to reiterate, it is warranted for full-time living. So, typically, back when I was selling, if somebody says that they were living in it, it's kind of like one of those, ooh, don't let the banks know. And I hate to say that, but it's, sometimes it's none of their business, so I wouldn't say anything. But this is actually warranted for full-time living. And I just like the fact that you get the L couch, you get the ability to pull out the couch for, grandkids or that funkle down at the campground that had a couple too many, but it also just looks really nice. Now, today is my first day that I've been recording Jayco or really spent any significant amount of time in them. And I'll tell you what, they are growing on me. It is very obvious to me why they are one of the best selling and one of the oldest names in the industry. They just seem to be put together a little bit nicer. I like the fact that you have the headboard where you can't see any exposed staple holes, so they're all going to be adhered from the back, I do believe. Can't wait to get my training tomorrow. But I think aesthetically also, they go overboard on the accent lighting in such a great way. And I like the overhead board. What do you guys think about the decor? Another thing that I think you guys really like, that I certainly do, is the cloth for the furniture. It's just really nice and soft. I imagine just, resting up like that. Like I said, snuggling up with honey buns, watching a movie. You got the TV dinner tray, the fancy man's armoire that also makes a desk or store. Actually, kind of funny. Last time we were in I'm in Texas today, by the way, at the Jayco open house. I live in Cincinnati, so I flew out this morning. But about a month or two ago, about 3 weeks ago, sorry, I was down in Texas to take my boy down. His best friend moved down here. And my daughter she actually kept hanging out in one of these, and she closed it over herself and then freaked out, obviously, for obvious reasons. But, well, anyway. You got a big boy TV, looks like about a 65-incher. This center AC is the only one that you're going to see. It does have a heat pump, but the other ones, you'll notice, have the returns because there's going to be dual 15K ACs that are going to be on the Whisper Quiet system. But anyway, underneath the TV, soundbar in the works. Rear kitchen disposition, so one of my favorite setups in the entire RV industry. And you're going to get things like the solid surface countertops. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. You also get a ton of really good cabinetry with a pull-out pantry or shelf right there as well. And then a mini pantry here too. Some of it's blocked by the rug, but that's okay. You also see that you got yourself some adjustable, shelving there too for you. Now this one is going to be the GE. So this is a residential refrigerator, but you can option in a 12 volt if that's going to be more your style. So if you need a more kind of off the beaten path type rig, you are able to do that most certainly. Now this right here, it's going to be real wood, feels nice. It actually looks like they probably use like a real house paint as well, which is a plus. But I like the fact that you get this, and again, the adjustable shelves. So whether it's, cereal or spices, you can really cater it to how you are going to use the RV. And then up here, maybe you got the little hidey-ho storage, so maybe you could put your Bourbonias and your cold bottles of the old grape juice in there. All right, floor space is looking good. I like how it's a little bit darker to help, with kind of cleanup mode, but residential appliances, so big fan of that. You got the 4-top burner to whip up all the fixings, along with enough room for a turkey in that bad boy. Plus, you got yourself a Lazy Susan. So who doesn't like a good Lazy Susan? I got one at home, and it's a pretty darn good system when my pots and pans aren't kind of dinging into it and, causing me to hulk out in anger. But you got air fryer, convection microwave combo. So I think you guys would have a good old time. And look at the hinges on that thing. They're a bad mamma jamma right there, looking nice. You got kind of the elbow style storage too. Nope, never mind. It's closed off on this side. But you got deep storage over there. Notice how it's all in the soft close. Again, the adjustable shelving is nice. And then over here, kind of more storage along over to the right, but you have your TikTok style sink. So you got your cup cleaner, soap dispenser, waterfall with the high-rise faucet. Whoosh, 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 hitting those dishes from all angles. And this is interesting how it doesn't open up right there. You got pull-out drawers too, so that's different. You also have the dovetail construction too. So again, a little bit more pinkies up here. That's nice. I just love those accent lighting. I like that little black bar too. It just kind of breaks up the two different rooms. I'll tell you, they're flashing a light out there. It's about midnight right now. Then I'll be back at probably 7 in the morning and run it to probably about 3 in the morning. Got permission from security to be here, you know, a little bit later. So that'll be nice. Yeah. Hang a hoodie on me. All right, now heading up here into the bathroom. You got your porcelain foot flush throne, so good enough for you roundies out there. You also got the octopus doodad, you know, hang a towel on me. And then you have places for those towels right there. You're going to have about 4 of those. The shower's got the Tri-Glide glass series. Looks like it's about 36 by 40. Camera's, whoa! Camera's getting crazy. You also got a shin cleaner. You got a shin cleaner, chest cleaner. The 4 ports for water sticks out. And then, you know, I'm about 6'1", 6'1" or so, 6 foot. And you got about 6'3", 6'4" into here. And then probably about 6'1", 6'2" right there with the teak seat. You also have a mirror for the old bowling gun, baby. And then right there, I mean, you got about 2 knuckles deep for you. Suburban on-demand hot water heater. Again, the solid surface countertops with a porcelain bowl right there. So that's pretty darn fancy. And again, I like that accent lighting down below here into the bathroom. All right, we're cooking along. East to west slide bed. So you notice a lot of good moving and grooving room. And you have a king bed, which I believe you can do a queen as an option if you would prefer. But I like the fact that you get the overhead light and then both windows on either side do open up for a good cross breeze. And then right there, I mean, you got more storage. You're also going to notice, again, the returns for the AC, which is really nice. And boom. Emergency exit, so pull, push, and plop. You can get out in a hurry. And then right here, you have your closet with your washer and dryer prep, hanging room, and then obviously your cubbies there too as well, along with another closet right here for more hanging room. And yeah, a couple dresser drawers. 2 more on the other side matching that. And I like how you got a little laundry hoop. But all right, guys, we're cooking along, but now I'm going to spend about 3-4 minutes here on the outside. I'll show you what she's all about there. And then I'm going to get skedaddling. I think I'm going to probably head to bed for the night after this one. But wow, what a good looking unit. But all right, 2026 North Point 365 RKTS. And that's going to stand for rear kitchen triple slide, if I'm not mistaken. You also got a drop frame right there for a little bit of extra storage, which is nice. Another thing that I learned today too is Jayco across a couple different brands, like their North Point, their Pinnacle. You can actually have up to 3 40-pound propane bottles. So a ton of propane, 120 pounds of propane there for you is capable of being had. You have a molded fiberglass front cap here up in the front. I think it's a nice clean look, especially with those LED lights, those soft glows on the outside. You know, down at the campground, should be a little bit easier to find your unit. Also, when you're driving around, you have the More Ride pin box, which is going to be really nice. So as you can see right here, kind of helps prevent with some of that chucking and bucking by absorbing, you know, some of that start and stop action for you. Pre-wired for a generator. So you can, or not pre-wired, I'm sorry. You got your battery connections right there, but then you have an area for your generator with a couple connections there too as well. You're also going to see you have 6-point hydraulic auto leveling. You're also heated and enclosed underbelly. Again, you can put up to 3 40-pound propane bottles, which is absolutely crazy. Slam latch doors with the magnetic finish. You also have kind of a toy hauler bottom here, so we don't have to worry about throwing anything in and doing some clanging and banging. Central road vac system, your JBL speakers. You'll have one located right here and one on the other side of your step. And by the way, the step is going to be on the strut system, so really easy and light to lift up. You're also going to have your extra long safety rail. And then part of that 4-camera safety system, so you have one camera here, one there, one on the other side, and then one on the back. So that way you can see pretty much all the way around your camper, which is nice. You're also going to see pretty much this entire side is going to be awning. So if you're somebody that likes to hang out, you know, play some cards out on a picnic table, you'll be able to get some really good shade across the entirety of your unit. Frameless windows as well, so I believe that is going to be one of the options. I believe you can get it with just the framed windows if that's not something that you wish to have. You also have your LP quick connect down at the bottom, and then your towing package. So 3,000 pounds of towing, 300 pounds of hitch rating, and then a 2-inch receiver and your 4-way flat. The ladder is 250 pounds weight capacity to get on top of your roof. And then if you want to see what's behind you without yelling at somebody, there is the backup camera. What's nice about the Furrion S Vision too, and I think the 4-camera safety system does it, but I know at least the Furrion S Vision does. It has a one-way mic, so one of you guys can yell at each other while the other one just has to listen. So it's kind of a good, you know, kind of a good argument stopper. 50 amp plug-in will be right here in the back, really nice and easy and open. Plus you have one of your gray water dump valves right there as well. You are eligible for a slide topper. So it's a piece of awning that goes from here to here and prevents debris from falling on top of your unit. The Cooper 17.5 H-rated tires, doesn't get much better than that, baby. There's the back end of that Suburban on-demand water heater. And then, unfortunately, this is going to be locked, but you have your docking station right there. And then, of course, you have your propane and then your tow assist as well. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, my name is Hunter. This is the 2026 North Point 365 RKTS. See you. Meow 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 meow. Rum dum ba da 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 dum. Shum ba da ba da bum. Rum bum bum ba da bum. Rum bum 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 ba da bum bum ba da bum bum ba da bum.